So what choice do we have? First one, this guy is a communist. So in total, there are 34 lists, but I don't think we will have all 34 because each list will send their own flyer, and some don't have money, so they don't send any flyers. This is Yann Brossard, Parti communiste français. So this is the French Communist Party. For Europe of people against Europe of money. I'm really angry. I'm angry. It needs to change. We need to stop Macron and the liberal Europe. He's 39. So he's kind of a newcomer now. I had never heard of him before that. They have famous people supporting them. Lassana Bathily is the guy who worked at the Hypercacher supermarket where the terrorist attack happened in 2015 and who helped save people. There is Josiane Balasco, an actress. Each time you have two papers, you have the flyers for what they want to do, and the other is what you should put in the envelope. In total, you have 79 names. Usually, it's much less than that. To get elected, they need to be above 5%, but I think they are around 2 or 3% now, so they probably won't get elected. The second one, okay, Rassemblement National, is the far right. Rassemblement National, they changed their name. They used to be Front National. This is the guy that is leading the list. Nobody knows him. Everybody knows her. Her name is on it, but she won't be elected. It's just to look nice. We want to refuse all the negative decisions made by the European Union. I think everybody wants that. We want to fight against the globalists governing the EU. We want to fight against Macron. For Europe of nations against Europe of Macron. Brussels decides, not you. That's bad. They don't like migrants. They don't like factories closing. A vote on Sunday 26 May against the European Union of Macron, Merkel and Juncker. This guy is very young. Bardella is like 23 years old. They are very high in the polls. They are like around 23%. So they will probably send, I don't know, 15 people. Next, les Européens. First you have Jean-Christophe Lagarde, the guy in the middle. Louis Giscard d'Estaing, the son of former French president Valéry Giscard d'Estaing, and this woman that Nora Berra, I don't know. For a stronger France, Europe needs to be powerful, defend our economic interests. Europe can die if she doesn't focus on the right things. They want to reduce the public money spent in Brussels. They want Google, Apple, Facebook, Amazon to pay you when they use your data, and they want a defense of Europe, a European army to become more independent from the USA, but only France wants a European army. So they want to save the planet, they are green, they want a strategy, fight against USA and China. They want a cyber army. Wow, they want the same tax rates across Europe for all companies. These guys are centrist, but they probably won't get elected because they are like 1 or 2%. They used to be strong, but with Macron now, everybody at the center votes for Macron, so they don't vote for them anymore. This is En Marche pour l'Europe, the Macron list. Yes, you can see his face. What continent do you want to leave to our children? It's led by this woman, Nathalie Loiseau. We want to unite people of Europe, so they want a greener Europe. They want a European army. Nobody wants a European army except France. Protect the borders. They want feminist Europe. They don't really need to do anything because they will get 23% of the vote. You see number 8, Bernard Guetta is the half brother of DJ David Guetta. Haha, interesting. Next we have the Green Europe Ecology. We are billions towards a society more fair, more ecological, with more solidarity. Together we can save the climate. This list is led by this guy, who is a former member of European Parliament, so he already knows how it works. Invest to save the climate by creating a job in Europe, to fight against tax paradise, to protect 100% organic agriculture. They want vegetarian menu in every European canteen. Fight against the lobby. Welcome the migrants with dignity. They should get around 8%. They will get something like 5 seats. This woman, number 2, she's like Anti-vax. Only one paper for them, only one flyer. Together for Frexit. Okay, you get the idea, they want Frexit. It's like, he's funny, this guy, because every time when he talks, he gets something like, according to the Constitution, and so on and so on, like he knows everything, but I don't think he knows much. They just want to leave Europe. That's the only thing they want, leave Europe. The next one, against the capital, the side of workers. Lutte ouvrière, so it's like the far left. They are the real communists, like the hardcore communists. They get like 1% of the vote, and they want like the true communists. We want to fight against bourgeoisie holding the power. By voting for us, you're fighting against Macron and the grand bourgeoisie, against Europe of capital. She's a teacher, yeah, teacher, and this guy is an operator in the automobile industry. Okay, next. La France Insoumise, conduite par Manon Aubry, avec Jean-Luc Mélenchon. This is the main far left party. This guy is a rookie. He wants the same thing as other people on the left. He used to be a writer. I don't say he's not nice, but he looks like this guy from Paris who doesn't know anything outside of Paris. So ecology, agriculture with no pesticides. He wants a European army as well. He wants to fight against big Google, Amazon, Facebook, this kind of company. Next. Le courage de défendre les Français. Basically, this guy is the French Nigel Farage. He's exactly like him. He's on the right, between the far right and the right. His political party is called Debout la France. So that means France stand up. I don't know if he wants to leave the EU, I don't think. When France said no to the 2005 referendum, nobody listened. 18 million of migrants, we need to stop that. Taxpayers' money wasted. We sent 11 billion euro more than we received, so it's not good for him. We need to end these stupid European standards. Okay, what does that mean? I don't know. Get back 9 billion euros. So it's almost like he has a bus and we're gonna take all that money from Europe and spend it here in France. We need to be united against USA and China. They all don't like USA and China. We need to fight USA and China. They want to fight against foreign workers from Eastern Europe working for cheap in France. They don't want Kosovo, Serbia, Bosnia, Macedonia, Montenegro and Albania in Europe. They didn't vote for that. This is the past vote. They didn't want Romania and Bulgaria and Bulgaria? I don't know. He used to be at 6, but now he's at 3%. Benoît Hamon, who used to be Parti Socialiste, now he left, so he's a left-wing guy. He did very bad at the last presidential election. He did the worst score in the history of Parti Socialiste. And he said, it's not because of me, it's because of them. I'm leaving and I'm gonna win all by myself. And he's not winning anything all by himself. I mean, he just won the generic left-wing stuff. Fight against climate change, reduce social inequalities. You will get, what, 2% of the votes? That's too few. And the last one is Les Républicains. So this is the main right-wing party. I mean, it used to be, because now they are, I would say, the third political force in France, behind Macron and Le Pen. He is the head of the Les Républicains, but he's not the candidate. The candidate is this guy. He's also very conservative. He's very religious, for France at least. We want a Europe that defends our borders. Europe that keeps transmitting its civilization, like our Judeo-Christian roots. We want to write that in the treaty. We want to fight Islamism, want to protect our job. We want a double protection of our borders, a European and French one. We won't allow new country to join the EU. We won't allow Romania and Bulgaria to join Schengen space. We want to give 50% of our public tenders to local players. To sum up, they should be number 1, Macron. Then number 2 should be the far right. Then number 3 should be the right. Number 4 should be the far left, and number 5 should be the Greens. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you, merci.